Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a storm window with Indow, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the necessary tools and materials for the installation. You will need your Indow storm windows, a measuring tape, a level, a utility knife, and a clean cloth. Clear the area around the window to ensure safe and easy access during the installation process. Next, measure your window frame to confirm that your Indow storm window fits perfectly. If needed, trim any excess materials from the window frame to create a proper fit. Now, clean the window frame thoroughly with the cloth to remove any dust or debris. Take your Indow storm window and place it inside the window frame to check the fit. Ensure the window is level and aligned properly within the frame. Once you are satisfied with the fit, remove the storm window and set it aside. Now, peel the backing off the adhesive strip on the Indow storm window. Carefully position the storm window back into the frame, aligning it as you did previously. Press firmly against the window to ensure a secure seal with the adhesive. After this, check that the window is level one more time. If everything looks good, use your utility knife to trim any excess material along the edges, if necessary. Finally, inspect the installation to ensure that the storm window is secure and sealed correctly. Congratulations, your Indow storm window is now installed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.